In this video, we head to Tzouhalem. I take a tumble on a rock roll.
Oh fuck!
We blast down Bumblebee. And Cody shows us how it's done.
Atta boy!
We started the climb up Grand Traverse, and then on to Field of Dreams.
Atta boy.
Then on to the rocky rolls of Rocky Mountain Ridge, where I take a tumble.
I believe so, yeah. Oh fuck!
A little too much brakes and poor line choice here. Next time I'll carry a little more speed and just slightly to the left. I'm glad to walk away from this one.
Oh, we're good. Yeah, my front tire skidded a little bit on this one, eh? And got like sideways a little bit. Atta boy.
Left is a good rock drop, right?
This one's not too bad. It's not bad. Just that stump that kind of messes with you a little bit. Yeah, definitely don't. Attaboy.
Too heavy on the brakes.
But yeah, good on you, Nick. That's a decent roll for sure. Oh, sorry, buddy. It's a nice view. Yeah.
Rocky Mountain Ridge is one of the most scenic trails in the area.
Attaboy. Oh.
Yeah, it's real slippery.
Yeah, it is. little spicy there. Hold it up for a second, thank you. Don't fall off that one. There's a couple trail crossings that I think we have the right of way for. So yeah, just watch out for like walkers.
We worked our way down to the start of Bisecticon. It is such a fun, flowy trail. One of my favorite trails on the mountain.
Yeah, that's the one. You can just chop that one. Yeah, and this way just go down the parking lot. Yeah.
Then on to Bumblebee, also a fun flowy trail. We had to stop so Cody could hit the big step up a few times.
Atta boy. It's been a long time since I've ridden this one. Atta boy. My God, so much chain slap. My chain's hitting my leg. Whew, that's burning.